Last week in the Ford Public Service segment, we made mention of a well-made, sturdy footbridge put up by the Cainta local government, which now appears to be a total waste of government funding, simply because it is hardly used by pedestrians who would rather unsafely cross the streets in the maze of crisscrossing vehicles. We're referring to this footbridge located near the entrance to the Valley Golf Club in Ortigas Avenue Extension in Cainta City. As we promised last week, we referred this problem to the traffic authorities of Cainta as it involves pedestrian safety. Now, Mr. Jojo Valeno, head of Cainta City Traffic Management, gladly accommodated us.
Kaya sabi ko nga ho, hindi ko lang alam talaga kung madidesisyonan ni boss kung pwedeng isarado. Siguro try po natin para gamitin nila yung footbridge. Pero yung footbridge po talaga, kung tutusin tulad na sinabi ko po kanina, napaka po ng baitang kahit matanda po kung talagang gugustuhin doon umakyat, aakyat po. Ako po ilang beses ako inaakyat yun, talaga sinusubukan ko Napakaganda, hindi tulad ng dito sa tapat ng Bigar na medyo mataas po yung baitang.
Our Motoring Today public service crew suggested that perhaps more visibility of traffic enforcers would be needed to make sure pedestrians do not wantonly cross the street.
Ang ko po siguro doon talagang kailangan matutukan lang po ng tao. Para talagang, po yan minsan nandun po kaming lahat pagka andun po kaming lahat, aakyat po sila doon dahil sabi po namin bawal. Minsan po kasi syempre sa sobrang init, minsan yun talagang hindi nagtatagal yung tao sa init Sa sobrang init po Tumabi lang dito ng kaunti yan sa lilim Pag makita mo yung tao, estudyante, tatakbo na lang
We also inquired about possible sanctions to those caught not using the footbridge but instead prefer to go jaywalking.
Siguro kailangan talaga magkaroon po kami ng ordinansa at nakikipag-usap din naman po ako sa Sangguniang Bayan. Nagawa na po ng ordinansa nila para magawa rin po namin kung paano sila magkakaroon ng multa yung mga tumatawid na bawal.
We shall be monitoring the area and update you on what is being done to address the pedestrian safety concerns here on the Ford Public Service portion.